Hello, welcome to Easy English Steps. Today, we'll learn English with the story of Imran Khan, Pakistan's cricket hero and former Prime Minister. His life is full of big dreams and tough challenges. Listen to the story, practice new phrases, and improve your English. Let's begin. Imran Khan was born in 1952 in Lahore, Pakistan. As a boy, he loved cricket. He practiced every day and became a star player. In 1971, he played his first international match for Pakistan. He was fast, strong, and smart. In 1992, he led Pakistan to win the Cricket World Cup. People called him a hero. After cricket, Imran wanted to help Pakistan. He built a big hospital for cancer patients using his own money. In 1996, he started a political party called Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, or PTI. He dreamed of a fair and honest Pakistan, but politics was hard. For years, people didn't take him seriously. They said, "A cricketer can't be a leader." Imran faced many losses in elections, but he never gave up. In 2018, Imran's hard work paid off. His party won the election, and he became Pakistan's Prime Minister. He promised to fight corruption and help the poor. But being Prime Minister was not easy. Some people disagreed with his ideas. The army and other leaders turned against him. In 2022, he lost his job after a vote in Parliament. Imran said it was unfair. Since 2023, Imran has been in jail. He faces many court cases, including one about corruption called the Al-Qadir Trust case. In January 2025, a court gave him and his wife, Bushra Bibi, 14 and 7 years in prison. Imran says these cases are fake, made to stop him. His supporters agree. They protest in cities, demanding his freedom. In November 2024, thousands marched in Islamabad, but police stopped them, and some people died. Even in jail, Imran fights. He writes letters, inspires his party, and asks Pakistanis to stand for justice. His story shows that dreams can face big hurdles, but courage keeps them alive. English practice. Section. Let's practice phrases from the story. Repeat after me. Follow your dreams. Example. Imran followed his dreams in cricket. Use it to talk about goals. Face tough challenges. Example. He faced tough challenges in politics. Use it to describe difficulties. Stand for justice. Example. Imran stands for justice in jail. Use it to show fighting for what's right. Try this. Make sentences with these phrases. For example, I follow my dreams to learn English. She faced tough challenges at school. We stand for justice in our community. That's today's lesson on Easy English Steps. Imran Khan's story teaches us to stay strong and fight for our dreams. Practice these phrases and share your sentences in the comments. Subscribe for more stories and see you next time.